Hello? Is it live? Why is it taking so long? Wow, that took a long time. What's up, Roy's Army? What's up, Ibrahim? Matthew Dropco in the house. Parker. Carlita. What's up? Let's go. Hold on. Let me... I think the chat was on delay, so give me a second. All right, there we go. What's up, guys? Happy Saturday, or guys and girls. Happy Saturday. We got a couple of coin requests already. So Pepe 2.0. Yeah, happy Saturday, everyone. Pepe 2.0 is bearish still. Yeah, nothing's bullish with Pepe 2.0 until we break 7078. Hold on, let me see if that's on. Yeah. Yeah, so obviously you already know this is a huge gamble coin. It's around a 13x back up to its all-time high, so it does need to establish some sort of floor, and if it does, then, you know, we should get some sort of reversal. What about Gummy? I remember you were also into Gummy, right? No, wrong one. Yeah, this one, right? Oh, no. Same thing here. It's just like... yeah, Gummy's also bearish under 208, so unfortunately if we don't establish some sort of floor, then we're just going to keep going down. Can you look at Engine? Yeah. Didn't this got delisted on Coinbase, right? It did get delisted on Coinbase. Yeah, I remember this got delisted. So it is kind of a gamble. We did go all the way back down. We're stuck in this downtrend right now. So I would say for Engine, nothing's bullish until we break 28 cents. You can see we actually bottomed here. We consolidated and then attempted to break out and not be bearish, but then we got rejected. So we got stuck at resistance. So again, bearish under 27 cents and no bull run until we break over and stay over 48 cents. And that's pretty much it for Engine. Yeah, so Parker, if I look at, excuse me, if I look at Horizon, if it's over $20, then it's still, it wouldn't be bullish, but it's not bearish, right? So there's a difference. Yeah, so it's still over 20 bucks actually. So it's literally holding the 236 from the high to the low. So I think it's the, or is it the 382? Oh, I stand corrected. Sorry, yeah. So it's still bullish because we're still over 20. Let's look at the RSI. Yeah, so the RSI is completely reset. So what you want to see is when we go back up, you want to see making a higher high, exactly like it did here, right? Here, and you're making higher highs across the board. So the next target for you would be $81, and that looks like it's on the horizon, right? It looks like it's in the play right now. So still bullish over 20 if it does. If unfortunately if 20 doesn't hold, let's see if this does coincide with next area support. Yeah, so next area support will be $15, but again, macro target $12 needs to hold, otherwise you're going to be bearish again. So that's pretty much it. What's up, Aaron? What's up, Philip? Top dog in the house. Let's go. Percival, hey dude, have you ever checked out 00 coin? Yeah, I did actually. I just saw it on Coinbase. It hit $19. That's fine as long as it held support though. As long as it held $30 or $20, it should be fine. Super low market cap, sitting at 3 milli. Yeah, I actually saw this coin. It's on Coinbase. It's unconfirmed though, so that's also just be careful with that because look, the market cap is 0, so it's not coin market cap verified. So the circulation isn't verified. So just be careful with that. I was just curious because it went below 20. No, you're fine as long as it's over 20. What's up, Dale? How are you? So as you can see, we have our wheel of names here for all the members. No more entries, I guess. So we're gonna basically spin this a little bit later when I get more people, maybe in like 30 minutes, when we get a couple more members in. We're gonna spin it twice, and that way, if the first person doesn't respond by tomorrow, I'll give them like 1 day. The next person will be on Monday. So again, full disclosure, we said it was going to be this Saturday. So if the member doesn't reach out or give me their DOGELON MARS wallet, hopefully Gemini wallet, then there's nothing I can do about that. So it is what it is. I don't even have to do this. So I hope everyone was more interested in winning. Like I only spent $187 of my ad revenue, but now it's like $310. So I hope people take that seriously. But anyway, we'll get to that a little bit later. Can you check TVK virtual? Yeah. So 00 coin. Let me look at this really quick. Yeah, so nothing is bullish with this actually. So it hasn't even had its run yet. So it is a good rotation coin, right? So if like your other coins go, it is a gamble, but again, you can see you have a lot of room for growth. I mean, just back up to its all-time highs around a 40x. No guarantees that it's going to go back that high, but it's good to know and know that that's the amount. It's a 40x. So nothing's bullish until we break over 6 cents 80. And then 12 cents 56 would be the target to beat, and then you'll be macro bullish. And then as long as you stay over that level, then you are looking at a continuation up and obviously an uptrend forming. So that's pretty much it for 00 token. And then you want TVK. I should probably make videos on this. Virtuals protocol, what? Can you check TVK? Oh, TVK. Oops. Wait. I don't see a TVK. Yeah, I don't see a TVK. TVK. Yeah, it's not coming up. Unless you're talking about this one. And how new is this coin? Oh, it didn't come out. Is this the right coin? What's your best play you're checking out? What's your best play you're checking out? Well, obviously I have OXT and I have DOGELON MARS. So whichever one runs, I'm taking profits and rotating into the other one if it doesn't. So that's my play. It's called Virtua. Well, I don't see it. Virtua. Am I Virtua? Yeah, I don't see it. Let's check one more place. Yeah, I don't even see it. It's on Coinbase. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Let's see, because I have Coinbase. So Oh, yeah, it is. What the heck? It's not coming up though. But that was the right coin. TVK. Yeah, that's not coming up though. That's so weird. Hey. Yeah, this is the right coin. It looks like it's the same graph. Yeah. It looks like it's the same graph, $1.22. Yeah. So I don't know why it looks different, or I don't know why it's different on here. But yeah, and 1 cent 76 was the low. So yeah, this is the right coin. So I don't know why it's different though. But it is on Coinbase. What's up, Free Lightning? Welcome to the wheel of members for the DOGELON Mars. We're gonna spin it twice. Hold on, I gotta change this to vlog. Yeah, so unfortunately we're no longer macro bearish because we fell below the 382 at 8 cents 90. So I'd say as long as it stays over 4 cents 75, 8 cents 90, 8 cents 97, so around 9 cents is going to be the next target. And then 14 cents, 25 cents, and so on. But nothing's bullish until we break over 8 cents 97. And for whatever reason, if we break below 4 cents, then we're probably going to get a big capitulation back down to the lows for a double bottom. And that's what you're hoping for. So if it does go down that low, you don't want to make a lower low and maintain this downtrend that we are unfortunately forming on the bigger time frame. And that's pretty much it for Virtua. Nice, man. Are you bullish on Pangolin? Well, is it over like 30 cents? No, it's still over 25 cents though. Yeah, I got to make my update videos today, but I'm going to make it a little bit later. I'm not going to do them on the live stream. This live stream, we're just going to hang out and look at your guys' coins, and we're going to do the giveaway. So stay tuned for the giveaway. And yeah. Oh, NCT. Chat, sir. What's up, man? What's up, brother? I got to look at NCT. Yeah, I got you. I forgot about that. And then Suku. So NCT, unfortunately, had a really big breakdown. I hope you guys took profits on the way up, though. So you can see that from the high to the low, we actually got rejected at the 786 at around 8 cents. So again, that's a really big move up from this previous low back up there. It's like an 8x. So whoever took profits, congratulations. And I always say that like from the high to the low, you buy during accumulation and then you put your sell targets at the 236, 382.5, 618, 786 all-time high in the, up to the 1618, whatever you guys feel comfortable with. So whoever made money on this, congratulations. And if you're looking, I hope you are a chatster, and then I hope you did make money off on this, and then now you're like, oh, I have some profits, so like, when am I going to buy back, right? So I would say that on the way down, it needs to hold for it to be very bullish and still very very bullish. Oh my god. Okay, there we go. I would say it needed to hold to 382, but unfortunately we did break down. Again, it was a really big move up, so it's not uncommon. Like it went up like, from the low, it went up, almost to 20x. So obviously you're going to get a big pullback. So I'd say the next area. So we actually did hold the 0.5 at support. So if you want to be greedy, or if you want to get it for cheaper, and if you already have a position that you're letting ride, I would say the next area of support is 2 cents 67. So that would be another area to consider accumulating or putting money back in. Theoretically, if it was me, I would have probably put some back in at the 382 at 4 cents 60. That would have been a bad play, obviously, because we broke lower. And then I would have done the 0.5, which is 3 cents 50, and then 2 cents 67. But usually, like if you accumulate back at the 382, you're hoping that it's actually macro bullish and it doesn't go any lower. And that's what you were hoping for. So unfortunately, NCT didn't do that. So it's not as strong as, as it could have been. So that's pretty much it for NCT, not financial advice, just my opinion. Still up on Dogelon, but I'm up big on Swift coin. Might take profits soon, just depends. Can you look at Swift? Yeah. So let's look at Suku and then Swift. So Suku's doing fine. Suku's doing okay. So we had a giant move up, consolidated. This looks like a giant bull flag forming, actually. Yeah, so on the macro time frame, nothing's bullish with Suku until we break over 8 cents 20 and then bullish over 14 cents. Let's see on the shorter time frame. Yeah, shorter time frame, same thing, 7 cents 30, 9 cents and a half. Once this area does break, then we should get a bigger breakout for Suku. However, as long as we're under this box, then it is not bullish. This is all resistance technically. In terms of support goes for Suku, you can see we actually did establish a floor over the 786, which is bullish because you're still making a higher low. But if that breaks, then basically we're cooked and we're going back down to the lows. And that's pretty much it for Suku. Let's see. Swift coin for Mr. Lightning Man. Yeah, so did it hit 2 cents? That was our resistance, right? Oh, did it really not hit 2 cents? That would suck. Because, yeah, that would have been one of my sell points. But, like, I would have had a sell target in for, at 2 cents. Oh, it did hit. Oh, no, it didn't. Oh, damn. Yeah, 1 cent 80. Okay, so, kind of like what we were just talking about Suku, or the other coin that didn't hold its 382. So, check it out. So, for Swift coin, again, very bullish because look, we actually came down, tagged the 382 at around 1 cent 11, and we got a nice buyback. So this is the kind of candle that you want to see, right? You want to see a sell-off and then a quick buyback. So the smaller the candle gets, that means the price is getting bought up, and there's a lot more interest and buying. So that's really good. So I'd say my target's at obviously 2.5 cents in this case is in play. And then, let's see. Yeah, so 2 cents. So this is going to be the next area of resistance. If we, and then obviously 8 cents is after that. But just keep in mind, if we do break below 1 cent 11, so around 1 cent area, we are probably going to come back down. And at that point, I would say the 786, worst case scenario, 2074 needs to hold. And yeah, that's worst case scenario, because if it doesn't, then this is a local top and we're basically coming all the way back down here. And that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Obviously, bullish over 1 cent 16 though, very bullish. So it's holding the 382. So just keep that in mind. Again, you will probably get strong resistance here, but if we end up blasting through this area, then you're looking at up to 8 cents. So yeah, I hope you make it. I mean, it looks like you already are making it. Like on the year for Swift coin, yeah, you're already up like 700. If you were just holding, you're already up 7x. So that's really good. I'm just waiting for OXT to do that. Why isn't my coin going up? Damn. How's Dogelon doing? Yeah, Dogelon's getting cooked. It's not good. I'm glad I took profits, though. I'm glad I sold and took profits. And this is exactly why we put in our sell orders, because look, from the high to the low, I had a sell order in here, and it got tagged. So now, like, I haven't bought back. I actually rotated that into OXT, but that's my play. Because, in my opinion, this chart looks exactly like OXT, but OXT is here. So do you see this area right here before the move up? Check this out. And I always like point this out. So I'm super bullish on this. Look, on the year, you see this area here? So I'm like literally, and not that, that's not how it works actually, but there is, like, I'm just making hopium for myself because I do believe in this coin, so we'll see. So yeah, so basically it literally looks like the bull flag, and then we're gonna get up on out of here. So excuse me. Whoa. Yeah, so how high do I see? I'll look at AIOZ and LCX in a second. How high do I see OXT going? Well, that's a good question. So I see OXT going to 21 cents, 30 cents, 51 cents, and from there, my last position, which I think it will be like 50,000 coins or something, I'm just gonna let it ride. If it makes me money, it makes me money. If it doesn't, then whatever. I made money on the way up, so that's all that matters. Let's see, AIOZ. I don't know, dude. That coin made like a 100x from its low. Yeah, it was at 1 cent and it hit like a buck, right? Yeah, it hit $1.22. You only get those kind of moves like once in your lifetime, right? So I hope you guys made it. Not necessarily true. Someone could be really lucky and just keep getting these giant moves. So with AIOZ, yeah, very bullish. We're actually hanging on to 81 cents, so around 81 cents, which is the 786 from the high to the low. So as of right now, you are looking at previous all-time highs at $2.62, which was its all-time high back in April 2021. And then you're looking at AIOZ up to $82. In terms of support goes, I mean, on the shorter time frame, it looks like we're holding the 382, so that's very, very, very bullish. On the bigger time frame for AIOZ, yeah, I guess it's still holding the 382. That's funny. I guess, yeah, I guess if you take it from here to here, yeah. So hold on. Yeah, so 73 cents, and then worst case scenario 50 cents, but it doesn't look like it's going to that. It doesn't. It looks like a huge bull flag forming right now. So as long as you get consolidation over that level, you're looking at this giant uptrend forming. So again, 262 is in play, followed by up to $82. The reason why I say up to is because we don't know if it's going to go that high, right? You have to take market cap and everything else into consideration. I wonder if like there's an indicator that tells me market cap. Damn, it doesn't tell me market cap. That's unfortunate. I'll have to figure it out, but I think there's a way that you could actually show market cap with your fib levels. So, what's up, Kilo? How are you? LCX. Yeah, so I guess technically on the macro time frame, you're still bullish. You're over the 618. 30 cents is next, and then you're looking at little to no resistance to the previous all-time high at 58 cents. And then once that breaks, you're looking at LCX up to $3.69. And let's see if the 618 coincides with any areas of support. It does coincide with the 0.5. We are over the 382 from the low to the high, from this local low to the high. So that is very bullish right now. So as long as it stays over 22 cents, then you have nothing to worry about. Worst case scenario, we break down as long as it holds this box, which it actually looks like it did before. Previous all-time high is the next target. And that's pretty much it for LCX, not financial advice, just my opinion. Ladies. Ooh, Ladies is breaking down. Yeah, taking a look at Ladies, unfortunately, Yeah, we did find support at the 618 at around 7.025. So given that that is the low, you are looking at resistance and bearish under around 7.097 to around 6.012. So just keep in mind with ladies, it could theoretically come back up and tag this and still be bearish, and we could be maintaining this giant downtrend that's forming. So we have established a floor here, but if that breaks, then we're just going to keep making lower lows across the board. So that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Balancer. Yeah, this is still not, it's just stuck in a giant downtrend right now. So nothing's bullish with Balancer until we break $3.85. You can clearly see that when we came down and established this low, we consolidated it and we attempted to break out. However, we got rejected at the 236 at around $3.85. So obviously that pushed the price down. So as of right now, you do need to establish some sort of floor here in consolidation period. Price to beat is 385. We're no longer bearish. And then for Balancer to be bullish on the macro time frame, you're looking at price action needing to get over $6.79. And I mean, gamble, but it is over a 27x back up to its all-time high. So it's worth looking into if it does go back down that high. Anything is possible in crypto. Yes, that is true. Hello, how high do you think Toshi can reach? Let's just say it could hit a $5 billion market cap. So I don't know. I actually just made a video on Toshi not too long ago. Yeah, look at this. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. Another coin we missed out on. Yeah, so it could 10x from here. So it could go to like around a penny. I would say Toshi price 1 penny. But I guess let's look to see if there's a target there, right? Yeah. Oh wait. This isn't the right. Hold on. Try to find the right graph here. Damn. All right, there we go. Yeah, let's see where the 1618 is for Toshi. Yeah, so as of right now, it's 2.039 is the next target. And then 4 cents. Wow, what would that do? That's a 40x from here. I don't know if it's going to go that high. But a 40x for Toshi would be, a 10x would be 4 billion. And then 4 times that would be like still under 20 billion. So it's not crazy to think that it can go that high. But again, I don't know. Nobody knows how high it can go. And the reason why I think under 20 billion for any meme coin is because I always compare it with the market. So Dogecoin being the leading meme coin, the highest it went was up to 80 billion market cap. And then the next one was SHIBA INU, which the highest it went to was 40 billion. So that's why in my mind, I'm like, okay, so if this is going to be the next SHIBA INU, conservatively speaking, sure, DOGELON MARS can go to 20 billion. Toshi can go to 20 billion. And that's where I get my information from. So, if this was if Toshi was at 20 billion right now, I'd be like, ooh, I don't know how much higher it can go. Maybe it could do a 4x and hit what Dogecoin did. But is Toshi going to be that coin that does that? And that's just the gamble. That's just the risk, right? We haven't done Dogecoin yet, but someone did ask for it earlier, so let's take a look at it. Yeah, so Dogecoin, man, we've been making weekly updates on Dogecoin. So why isn't this working? Let's see. Flip Coins in the house. What's up, Flip Coins? Just in time. So in about like 10 minutes, we're gonna be doing this, and I'm gonna be, we're gonna pick 2 winners. That way, first winner has until tomorrow to claim it. Second winner has until Monday to claim it. Otherwise, if nobody claims it within that time period, then we're just gonna redo the giveaway again. But I highly doubt that. No, I highly doubt they won't reach back. But yeah, so let's see. Okay, there we go. So Dogecoin. So we said, actually, you know, it's funny. We talked about this from this low to the high. We said that back when Dogecoin was here at like 50 cents, we said the areas that Dogecoin needs to hold for it to still be considered macro bullish is going to be this box. So Dogecoin is still macro bullish because it's over 24 to 31 cents. And whoever picked up this dip, congratulations, because you guys are up on that position, and you're in the green, right? So from the high to the low right now, 41 cents is next once that breaks. Previous all-time high, and I still put Dogecoin at $3.91. So around $4. I still put it at around $4 Dogecoin. So that's just my opinion, not financial advice, just my opinion. Flip Coins in the house. Let me know what you want me to look at for you, Flip Coins. Moonwell. Ooh, Moonwell is not doing good. I looked at a Coinbase and it was like one of the top losers. Yeah, it's not looking good at all. Let's see if it's holding any levels though. So yeah, so I mean, I would say 236, 382, right? So technically it's holding the 382. So right now it's kind of do or die for Moonwell. Excuse me. If the 382 doesn't hold, then you are looking at the 0.5 being next area of support at around 3 cents 30. Just keep in mind that if it does hold the 382, that is still technically macro bullish. We do have resistance at 4 cents 90 to 5 cents 70 once that breaks. I do put Moonwell at 11 cents and then up to 21 cents for all-time highs. What you really want to see is like some sort of consolidation and maybe like a bull flag printing. I don't know how long this is going to take, but that's what you really want to see. Helium Mobile and K&J. Yes, I could check both of them for you. Excuse me. Helium Mobile. Yeah, so Helium Mobile actually established some sort of floor, so that's pretty good. We said it needed to establish some sort of floor because we were stuck in a huge downtrend. Technically, you can move this, and we are still stuck in a downtrend. And we are technically still under the 236. So nothing is bullish with Helium Mobile until we break 201. Clearly, we're below that level. In terms of a floor and a bottom, you do need to establish some sort of bottom here. So if we do come back down, this previous low does need to hold. Otherwise, you're just going to be making lower lows across the board, okay? And you're going to be stuck in this downtrend, and which is exactly what you don't want. So again, establish a floor. 201 is the price to beat. Once that breaks, you're looking at the 382 at around 2015. That's a really big move up. That's around 50%. So once that breaks, though, it is confirmed macro bullish. You're breaking out of this downtrend, and that's pretty much it for Helium Mobile. K&J, Samo, thanks for all you do. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. You're welcome. I appreciate you, Free Lightning. Thank you so much. And thank you so much for the membership. I really appreciate that. Oops. Samo. Damn, it went all the way back down. Damn. Yeah, so taking a look at Samo, what the heck? Hold on. All right, we're just gonna look at it here. There we go. Taking a look at Samo. So, hopefully we're over the 236, otherwise we're bearish. We are bearish, unfortunately. So, this is not good for Samo. So, price to beat is 207. Clearly, you could see we've been making lower highs across the board, and we're making lower lows across the board. So, this is not good for Samo. In terms of support goes, I guess on the macro time frame, we could look at yeah, so the next area of support is down here for Samo at 2046. If this breaks, then you're no longer there's no longer an argument for an uptrend and maybe, you know, compression and a breakout. You're looking at making a lower low and probably coming back down to the lows. So again, we do need to see some sort of reversal on Samo. Let's look at the RSI and the stock RSI. Yeah, so again, the RSI is completely oversold. Stock RSI is completely reset. So again, there's only so much more selling pressure. And our best bet is for 2046 to be the floor. If it's not, again, you're probably going to go in the red and get a huge sell-off back up to the previous lows. And that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. K&J. Oops, I forgot K&J. Oh my gosh, what is this? 1.3 million market cap, fully diluted to 3.39 million. So I'm assuming it's a gamble coin. K&J. No, that's not our own. Yeah, this is the only graph I have. Okay, so for K&J, again, gamble coin, it is technically not bearish because we're over 3 cents 40. It needs to hold 3 cents 40. The next target is 6 cents 35. Once that breaks, you're looking at bull run, and prices back up to previous high from the current price is going to be around a 22x. So again, given the market cap is relatively very low, it could go much, much higher than that. So just keep that in mind too. And that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Happy Saturday. Will Aerodrome hold $1? For real, no one. Sad bunch. What's up, Eric? How are you? Let's see. Will Aerodrome hold $1? That's $1 million question. If I knew that, I would be rich. But let's see. Need help? Yeah, I guess, let's see if there's any support here. Just do the macro time frame. Yeah, so 97 cents is the area of support. So if it does, you know, if it does hold, then obviously it's holding support. If it doesn't, then the next area of support is 78 cents. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. We will take a look. I already looked at Suku Kilo. If you rewind it, you'll see it. Hopefully we didn't lose any hopefully we didn't lose any viewers, but oh, we got 20 bogeys in the chat. Okay, it's not bad. Life happens, no worries. Yeah, my wife was going to work, so I needed to open the gate for her and close it. So, yeah. Okay, so let's see. Any other phone requests? Hey Meow, can you look at Turbo and Myro, please? Looking to dollar cost average on them? Yeah, so let's take a look. So Turbo. Yeah, so Turbo is actually holding support at 2056. So, I mean, if you sold, and if you're looking at dollar cost averaging down, I guess the next area of support for Turbo is going to be, well, there is none. So it would just be this previous low. And that's a really big drop, actually. So, let me see. Yeah, you're looking at a 43% capitulation. So again, right here is support. So theoretically, this is an area to load up. However, if we do break down, we are going to come back down, and that's around a 40% capitulation. So you just have to figure out if you want to do that or not. So Myro. Hey, come here. Yeah, I guess taking a look at Myro. Are we holding any areas of support? Probably the 786. Yeah, so for Myro, next area of support would be 2 cents 70, and technically you're still going to be making a higher low. So, you know, that's your best bet, 2 cents 70, if we don't get some sort of reversal from here. And then as far as the RSI goes, we are oversold, so just keep that into consideration because there's only so much more selling pressure when the RSI is extremely oversold, and that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Fetch coin, spell, XYO. A lot of good coin tokens were going. Yeah, so at what point are we gonna do this, right? I guess I could do it in let me see. We could do it in like 7 minutes. So let's do fetch token. I don't see fetch token. I don't see fetch token. But didn't the name changed? So can you tell me the new name? Spell, is it over 3095? If so, I'm not gonna look at it. Oh, congratulations, it's over 3095. So as of right now, as long as it stays over 30. Oh man, my gate just opened. Hold on, I didn't close it. Give me a second. Hey. No, maybe. Alright, okay, I'm back. Alright, let's see. Oh, okay, yeah. So as long as it's over 3 zeros 95, you are looking at 2 zeros 18, and that's pretty much it. Like 2 zeros 18, what is that? Around an 80% pump, so that's a really big move. And there's really nothing more to say about Spell Token. So again, so far so good. It is over the macro 236, and you are looking at a continuation to 2 zeros 18 right now. So let's see. This one, nice. Okay, so let's take a look at Fetch AI, the FET token. Yeah, so very bullish right now. I mean, technically on the macro time frame, you're... Yeah, technically on the macro time frame, you're over the 382 at 70 cents. You can see we actually came and tagged it, and then we consolidated, and we are over 70 cents right now. So that's pretty much it. If it's over 70 cents, you're looking at a continuation up, and then the price right now, you're looking at previous highs and then up to $9.91. Again, you are finding strong resistance at $1.29. So once that breaks, then the targets on the upside are validated. So with that being said, none of that is financial advice. It is just my opinion. Okay. Dave Lark with the membership. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the membership. So thank you. That's awesome. So Dave Lark, I got to add Dave Lark to the wheel of names. So Dave Lark. Welcome to the chance to win 1 billion DOGELON MARS. You guys better have Gemini so I could, or a wallet so I can send it to you guys, because that would be unfortunate if you don't. DOGELON Mars catching waves all over Twitter. Yeah. Yeah, it's because it had a monster move, right? Yeah. $46 billion counting. Nice. That's a good amount. Yeah, so you're at like 12 grand. A little bit more than 12 grand. So, like I said, just... Oh, you know what? You're right. Dave Lark, I'm sorry. I can't. I did say that the deadline was yesterday, and the reason why is because I didn't want people to just become members just the day of. I do appreciate the membership, but I can't add you to that, and I'm really sorry for that. But thank you for reminding me, Matthew Dropco. And yeah, that's so the names that are in here. That's right. The names that are in here, I wrote them in, and these are just the names in the wheel. So you're right. Thank you, Matthew Dropco. And yeah, what wallet? DOGELON Mars. DOGELON Mars. We're about to do the giveaway right now. So yeah, thank you so much for the membership, Dave Lark. But again, I did say yesterday, and I completely forgot. So again, the whole point of that was so people didn't come last second, just to enter in the chance to win the 1 billion DOGELON Mars. And again, I'm doing this as a thank you to my members. So obviously, I take like the ad revenue and the memberships and the super chats and stuff. I don't want, like, I'm thinking of like ways that I can actually interact with my members, because you guys are all supporting me. So I want to do something to show my thank you. So whether that's giving some money back to cat places like cat food and shelters and stuff. Obviously, I'm crypto meow analysis, right? So it makes sense. And then also like putting money back in, coins and making it fun, where people have the chance to win, crypto, right? That's what the channel is, crypto. So thank you. And again, I appreciate it. I appreciate the memberships. So yeah, let's get started, I guess, on the wheel name. So we're gonna run 2 times, because again, I need to clip this. I guess I'll clip this right now. So we're doing the DOGELON Mars giveaway right now. I'm recording it, so because I'm gonna be posting it. So here are the rules. Again, this is to all the members. The deadline was yesterday. This is just my appreciation, and thank you so much for being a member and supporting my channel in a way of me giving back to my members. So I ended up buying a billion DOGELON MARS tokens. Cost me around $187. And luckily to the winner, because I bought the dip, it's now like $300. So congratulations to the winner in advance. But the winner has until tomorrow to claim it, which is basically you're gonna be sending me your DOGELON MARS wallet, preferably Gemini wallet, but whatever DOGELON MARS wallet you send me, that's where I'm gonna send the billion, or however it's gonna be after the fees. And if you don't claim it by tomorrow, Sunday, January 26th, then the second winner is gonna get it. And if nobody claims it for whatever reason, then we're just gonna redo it, and we'll set up another date in the future, or maybe I'll split it up into two winners or whatever. I don't know how it's gonna be handled right now. But anyway, without further ado, we're gonna spin the wheel. We're gonna shuffle this a couple times, and we're gonna pick two winners. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. And let's spin it. So congratulations to, let's see. Oh wow, Roberto. It was almost flip coins. So congratulations to, I gotta write this down. So congratulations to Roberto. I haven't seen him in the live stream today, so he better, Roberto, oh, I'm gonna remove his name, and then we're gonna shuffle it a couple times. And then we're gonna do this again. And the second winner is Facts Over Feelings. All right, so that's pretty much it. I mean, we'll just do a third one just in case. Not that it's gonna happen, but again, the third one has until like Tuesday. All right, Steven is the third one. So that's okay. That's it though, because like there's no way 3 people aren't gonna claim like $300. So that's pretty much it. Again, thank you so much for the memberships. I really, really, really appreciate all of the subscribers, all the memberships, and everything like that. And you know, Roberto, you have until tomorrow. You could comment your wallet on this on the comment section. Facts Over Feelings, I'll reach out to you. I'll make another video like specifically for you if he doesn't do it by tomorrow. And then Steven, I'll get with you if they don't. And then if for whatever reason all 3 doesn't, then we're just gonna have to redo it and completely start from scratch. So thank you so much, and I appreciate everything that you guys do. So thank you. All right, that's the video that's gonna get uploaded. So Roberto, congratulations. That's a big win for you. Again, I bought it for $187. So I think that was like 1 month of my like 1 month that of YouTube paid. So I wanted to go big with this. So yeah, I really hope Roberto reaches out, because yeah, otherwise then we're just gonna go down the list and start redoing the giveaways. But anyway, that's pretty much it. I mean, obviously we're still going to be live streaming. I'm going to be making my update videos, sorry, my watch list videos. So I'm going to be doing this obviously after like my live stream. I'm not going to do it this time where I look at it on the live stream. We'll just focus on the live stream and take it from there. Dogelon Mars all the way. Sure, Matthew Dropco, I like Meow's analysis. Hey, that's why I'm Meow Analysis, right? That's much more help than the giveaway. I hope I make it the cycle. I hope I make it too. I really hope I make it. So yeah, so dude, like, I really hope this coin goes back up. It looks like it wants to. It looks like I really think if I've been in this coin for 5 years. And I really think it's going to go up. And don't buy it. Trust me, like, I'm not saying that to tell you guys to buy this, but just don't. Stay away from this coin because I'm already like deep into it. So I really think it's going to go up, and I'm really hoping it does, and I really hope we all make it. So, Demon wants Toshi. I think we looked at Toshi, but yeah, I'll take a look at it again. So let's take a look at Toshi. It looks like it's breaking out again. So congratulations on that. Toshi USD. Yeah, the problem is, like, where's the graph, right? I guess Bitmart, right? Yeah, so for Toshi, we already went over this, but I guess I can make a video. Taking a look at Toshi on the live stream, I mean, this thing's absolutely going parabolic. Right now, you can see that we have little to no resistance to 2.039, and then you're looking at up to 4 cents, 5 cents area. Again, very, very, very bullish on Toshi as of right now. But again, we don't know how high it's going to go. You've already made a higher high. So with any sort of pullback or breakdown as of right now and the current price, again, we don't know how high it's going to go. It does need to hold this box at around 3.049 to 3.072. As long as we get a breakdown and it stays over this box, all the targets on the upside are still validated. And with that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. And thank you so much. Can we look at BOME? Yeah, we can look at BOME. We can look at BOME. Is this the one that's on Gemini? This is the coin that's on Gemini, right? Oh, wait, I'm typing in Gemini. BOME. Wait, is it on Gemini? I don't know. Or maybe it's the other one, Book of Ethereum. Anyway, yeah, let's take a look at BOME. Ooh, it looks like it's breaking down. That's not good. It looks like we're forming, like, we're just making lower lows. So this is not looking good at all for BOME. From the high to the low, nothing is... I guess I can make a video. Taking a look at BOME, Book of Meme. Unfortunately, it looks like we're making lower lows across the board. So nothing is bullish until we break 2.059 and then bull run over 2.08. And that's given that we establish some sort of floor here and we get a reversal. If we don't, then we're going to consolidate and then we're going to break back down and then we're going to maintain this downtrend that we're in. So that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Our best bet is we bottomed out and we get some sort of consolidation followed by attempting to break out over to the 236 and the 382. And that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Okay. Oh, Orion Protocol. Thanks. Yeah, is this still over $1? Oh, it is still over $1. Yeah. Wait, rebranded to Lumia? You sold your Dogelon for Wait, did you sell it? Did you sell it when it got listed on Coinbase? Demon, I'm not even kidding you. I saw it at 3 zeros, 39, 3 zeros 4. And I was like, dude, this is like only 100 million market cap. And I didn't buy it. I know, story of my life, but I didn't. I really hope, I really, really, really hope you bought it at 3 zeros 4 because you'd be up 3x right now. So, I wish you made that play because if you did, at least you made money. Yeah, so let's take a look at Orion. Let's take a look at Kronos, MB Trucker. I'll take a look at Kronos for you right now. Then I get that profit to buy back Dogecoin. Yeah, that's what I'm doing with OXT right now. But I didn't, like, you should always keep a little bag, right? What the fuck? Oh, it's so windy here. Yeah, so I think, okay, I guess we'll just take a look at Orion like this. So with Orion, on the macro time frame from the high to the low, we are bearish under $1.21. So unfortunately, we need to break over $1.21. And once that breaks, you have little to no resistance to 224. Clearly, you can actually see we've done that twice now. So it's literally, you know, it never made a lower low, right? So the price floored here, and then it did the same thing twice. So again, as of right now, you're technically still making that higher low, right? So theoretically, if this is it, then we should get some sort of reversal, and hopefully this time it does break the price action and get us over $2.24. But again, I can't really say that until we break $1.21. So as of right now, bearish under $1.21. Once that breaks, the next target's going to be $2.24. My cat's going crazy, so I think the wind is driving my cat feral. Anyway, yeah, that's it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Can you look at Kronos? Yeah, is it over 15 cents? No, it's at 13 cents. Okay. So taking a look at Kronos on the live stream. So you are making higher highs across the board, so that is bullish. Keep in mind that we did get rejected. Sorry, we got rejected at the 0.5, and now we are under the 382. So nothing is bullish and no bull run until we break over and stay over around 15 cents for Crow. In terms of area of support for Crow, we did hold the 0.5, so 12 cents, 70 did hold. And then if that doesn't hold, then on the shorter time frame, you're looking at 11 cents being support. So I'd say, you know, we have strong support at 11 to 12 cents, 70. And as long as that holds, and once we break 15 cents, then it should theoretically send us in and give us a higher high like it has been doing, right? And that should take the price somewhere between the 618 or 786. Yeah, so like 29 cents. And that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. And thank you. Is SHIB over 4 zeros too? Degen. What's up, Heath? I'll take a look at Degen for you right now. Yeah, taking a... Thank you, Free Lightning. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really, really, really appreciate it. I appreciate the membership, and I appreciate you, and thank you so much. I'll be going live again on Monday night. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll catch you in the next live stream. And again, thank you. All right, so Degen, from the high to the low, we are no longer bullish, macro bullish, because we are under 207. So the price to beat and macro bull run, once we break over 207 again, we'll have another attempted breakout. So again, you have to take profits on the way up just in case something like that happens to your coin. Nothing goes up forever, right? So from the low to the high, you could see that we actually broke below our area of support at 207. So as of right now, the next area of support for Degen is going to be 2046. However, I mean, looking at the RSI and the stock RSI is completely reset. The RSI is close to being extremely oversold, so I don't know how low it's actually going to go. We might get some sort of relief rally. However, you can see that we're stuck in this downtrend. So if we don't break out of this, then you're looking at coming back down to 2046. And that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Maddie Ghost for 20. Let's go. What's up, Maddie Ghost? Thank you so much for the super chat. I really, really, really appreciate that. That's awesome. So I actually already looked at Toshi, so I'm not looking at it for now. Imagine, I'm totally just kidding. Yeah, so for Toshi, very, very, very bullish. We actually made a video on it, but I'll post it afterwards. So, and then I'll make a Swift coin. Oh, the Swift coin's on my watch list. So, I'm gonna make a video after this. So let's look at Toshi. Yeah, so for Toshi, we set that it's, first of all, it's very, very, very bullish right now. Hold on, let me just see if I can get the full graph. There we go. Okay. All right, so taking a look at Toshi from the high to the low, you can see we actually broke the previous all-time high. So as of right now, wait. This is the wrong graph. Hold on. wrong graph. Yeah, okay, we'll do it on here. Yeah, so for Toshi, there we go. Okay, so from the high to the low. Yeah, so from the high to the low, you are looking at continuation up to 202, and then, yeah, I guess I did look at it a little bit differently but I guess the 3618 does put it still at at around 5 cents. So I guess for Toshi, 202 is in play, followed by 1 cent, followed by around 5 cents. So 4 cents 90, 5 cents 20. Again, it just depends on how you draw your fib and which chart you're looking at. So we said that, what is that? That's around a 40x, right? So for Toshi, that still puts the market cap under $20 billion. So again, it's not impossible. It just depends on how high you want to hold it. Also keep in mind that the coin actually did a 10x already from, January 14th. So in 2 weeks it did a 10x. So with any sort of pullback, it does need to hold the 236382. If it doesn't, then I'd say that that's a local top and we're coming back down. But technically, you could clearly see that we're making higher highs across the board. So very bullish. And then in terms of support goes, 3005 to 3071 needs to hold. 2 cents is 202 is in play, 1 cent, and then 5 cents. And again, keep in mind on the high end of this target, 490.52 is going to be still under a 20 billion market cap. Now taking a look at Swift coin. Yeah, Swift coin's looking good. Another coin I missed out on, but let's just hope OXT goes to the moon. Yeah, so taking a look at Swift coin, we said it was very bullish because it actually came down and tagged the 382 at around 1 cent, 1 cent 19. And then we got bought back, but it looks like we're having another sell-off right now. So just keep in mind, very bullish, and it absolutely does need to hold this box. Otherwise, we are probably going to come back down. And in order to make a higher low, you're looking at prices between 208.88 and 207. And then on the way up, though, if we do get some sort of reversal and a continuation up, all the targets haven't actually changed. You're looking at 2.5 cents. And if you look at this a little bit differently, on the bigger time frame, it is around 2 cents, right? Yeah, so 2 cents. Oops. So again, very, very bullish because you're literally making higher lows across the board, right? And you're making higher highs and higher lows across the board. So as of right now, as long as it stays over this box, you are looking at a continuation to 2 cents, 10, 2.5 cents. And then I think the next target, if it goes parabolic, is 8 cents, right? Yeah, so 7.5 cents, 8 cents. So that's the next target. And that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Again, 1 cent 18 needs to hold. Otherwise, we are going to get a bigger capitulation down to around 207 to 208. So pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. And thank you so much for the 20. That's a lot of money, and I really do appreciate it. So thank you. What's up, Deejberry? How are you? Will Swiftcoin keep moving from this TS? I don't know. If it holds the box, yes. But also keep in mind, the RSI is probably extremely in the green. Yeah, it is. So literally, you're making higher highs across the board. So hey, Meow, have a good weekend. You too, Kat. Thank you for coming by. You're welcome, James. Again, when the RSI is in the green, you are going to get some sort of pullback, right? Exactly what happened here. So no matter how high we go, right, you're going to get some sort of pullback, and you're hoping for higher lows across the board, which it has been giving you since October of 2023. So Swiftcoin is very, very, very bullish. I had 1.4 billion Dogelon thinking that was a lot when I started crypto. Now I know, so why when I get more money before this whack bull run might buy Dogelon again? Yeah. Yeah, Dogelon, you know, it's crazy because I first bought Dogelon Mars on Gemini and I paid $1,000 and I got 2.2 billion coins. And then it got to a point where I was buying 1 billion coins for like $150, $160 for the longest time. So, yeah, I mean, it's crazy how low it actually ended up going. And now it's like slowly making its way back up. So, you know, I did also think that. You know, I thought having 1 billion Shiba Inu was a lot. And thinking back, it's like, no, that's not even, that's barely anything. So, thoughts on Ethereum? It sucks. My coins aren't going up because it's not going up. That's what I think about Ethereum. Yeah, so taking a look at Ethereum, garbage. So, sorry, I'm just salty because we're not going up. Yeah, so Ethereum's still macro bullish, right? It's over the 382. Sorry, we actually came down and we tagged the 382, consolidated, broke out. So it looks like it wants to break out right now. As long as it's over 2,000, around $3,000, 2,900, it's still macro bullish. And I still do put the target at, what was it, like 8 grand? Well, 14 grand to 8 grand. And that's Moonboy status right there. But I did actually take the FIP from the previous high, and it gave me like 8 grand, right? Okay, so like 9 grand, around there. It changes all the time because of how I draw my fibs, but you get the point. So I put it around 9,000 to 14,000. So yeah, I still think that's still valid. That's only a 3x from the current price, and we'll see when it gets hit. But it sucks because my coin's on Ethereum and it is unfortunately not running because it's not running, so it's not good. Can you look at Pepe? Yes, I can. Yeah, so Pepe, let's see what it's doing. Yeah, just keep in mind, Pepe is still very, very, very bullish. So as long as it stays over, 4011, it's still very, very, very bullish. You're still making a higher low, and you're still maintaining this uptrend. How high can Pepe go, though? Let's see. And let's look at short-term areas of support. So, yeah, so it looks like we actually bounced on the 0.5. So for Pepe, the next area of support is going to be the 618 at 4012. So just keep that in mind too. That is the next area of support. And then in terms of the next targets, yeah, so the targets still haven't changed. You're looking at 4030 and then almost 301, which as of today is going to be around a 5x, which would put the market cap around 30 billion. So again, when you're talking about a coin that's a $6 billion market cap, a 4 or 5x is a lot because it's going to put the market cap around like, $30 billion, more than $30 billion. So that's pretty much it for Pepe. And yeah, just make sure you keep your eyes on the support. So hopefully you are taking profits on the way up. That way you could be like, hey, crypto analysis, where are the next areas of support? So that no matter how long it takes, because obviously coins go down, and I know people get stuck in that moment where it's like, oh, my coin's going to go up all the time. But no, they're going to retrace. Nothing goes up forever, and you could just take profits on the way up and then buy back and then pocket the rest or buy more coins or whatever, however you guys want to plan it. But again, for Pepe, I would say 4001 to around 4013 is a good is theoretically a next loading zone. But if that breaks, again, you're gambling, because if that breaks, then you're no longer maintaining this uptrend and you're no longer macro bullish. So just also keep that in mind too. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Give me 1 second. I need to get my water and clear my throat. All right, got my water. Yeah, I don't know how much longer we're going to be live for because I do have to make my watch list videos, and that's going to take another 2 hours. Sorry, that's going to probably take an hour and a half. So we're going to be making my watch list videos. I got to edit it, and then upload them. So, and we've already been live for about an hour and 15 minutes. So let's just say we'll take another 15 minutes of coins, and then we'll call it a day. And then just later this afternoon, all the watch list videos will be posted. And for the most part, all the videos that we watch over stream. So in case you need to go back and see what the targets are, those will be posted too. So, and again, I got to get with Roberto because he officially won the DOGELON MARS giveaway. And then it's going to be Facts Over Feelings, and then it's going to be Steven. And if nobody responds by Tuesday morning, we're going to completely redo it, unfortunately. And there's nothing I can do about that. And it sucks because, I'm trying to do something nice for people. And I'm really hoping that, they don't take it personally or be like, oh, you didn't give us enough time, or, oh, blah, 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 X, Y, Z. But, the whole point is to, a lot of members do come every single live stream. So, it is what it is. I can't please everyone. So shipping. Oh, it's called shopping. Someone actually corrected me on one of my videos. It's actually called shopping coin. And it's super low market cap, yeah. We could take a look at it. 27% on the day. Congratulations. Wow. What a monster move. That's pretty good. Taking a look at shopping. So it's actually pronounced shopping. Thank you for the gentleman who corrected me. You are officially banned from the channel. I'm just joking. Taking a look at shopping coin on the live stream. So as of right now, from the high to the low, we did have a breakout. We are macro bullish. We actually came down, bounced from the 382 at around 2084, and now we're getting a breakout. So again, a very bullish. Price to beat as of right now is 1 cent 30. Once that breaks, you're looking at little to no resistance and retesting the 618 at around 2 cents. And again, once that breaks, then you're going to be making a higher high, like we have been, and you're maintaining this uptrend anyway. So again, shopping right now is extremely bullish, and all the targets on the upside are still valid right now. And also, someone pointed out that it is a very low market cap. Keep in mind the fully diluted is around 3 times as much. So just be careful on if they release coins. If not, then good. You're going to be taking this market cap into consideration. So there's a lot of room for growth. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion. Thank you, and I'll catch you in the next video. Oh, are we rich yet? Are we rich yet? I always tell my coworker, because he has SHIBA INU. He's actually he has maybe 12 grand worth of SHIBA INU. And he actually didn't sell from 4 years ago. So fun fact, I don't know if you guys, fun facts, chat's pretty slow. So SHIBA INU, I always tell the story. So some of you guys might be like, oh my gosh, stop telling me a story. But so back here in, June of 2021, before the coin got listed on Coinbase, me and my coworker, we ended up I bought $4,000 worth of SHIBA, which at the time was 800 million, 700, I don't know how much it was. It was maybe $1 billion. I really don't know. But I bought it at 505. So yeah, it was a little bit less than 1 billion coins. Anyway, so I bought $4,000 worth. See you later, Flip Coins. I appreciate you coming by. Let me know if you need me to look at any coins for you, and I'll make the videos for you so you can check them out later. So just type out the coins you want, and then you can leave, and then I'll make it and I'll post it for you. So otherwise, I'm going to be posting Billy update obviously a little bit later. I'm going to be looking at the update videos later. But anyway, back to my story. So I ended up buying, and it got listed on Coinbase, and I ended up selling here. Before this giant move up. Obviously I sold early, so I sold it here because I was like, well, no way it's going to go higher. But anyway, I sold it. I made money. It doesn't matter. I gave it all back with OXT. But he ended up holding his. And I think he put in like $2,000 or $3,000, and it was like 30 grand or something, like at the high. Maybe a little bit more, I don't remember. But he actually ended up holding it, and I'm like, and it's crazy because if you look at his chart, it literally matches this. And I'm like, damn, hey, don't, like, this time, make sure you sell. And he's like, I want to sell when I'm rich. And I'm like, yeah, but you also only bought like $2,000-$3,000 worth. So Shiba Inu has to go up like a lot for you to get rich. And I feel like everyone already got rich with Shiba Inu that bought back in 2022 when it was at 7 zeros. So it is what it is. I mean, yeah, you guys are already up like 1,000x. So there's only so much more room to grow for Shiba. I do think 301 is in play. I do think 301 is going to get tagged this bull run for Shiba Inu. Anyway, just my thoughts, or just my opinion, not financial advice, obviously. Fun story. All right, did that get everybody to leave? Nope, we still have 22 bogeys in the chats. Man, Bitcoin's at 105,000 and my coin can't even go up. Unbelievable. How's Dogelon doing? Breaking down figures. Update on the cat food contributions. I bought her 2 large 30-pound bags of Friskies seafood flavor, and she was elated. 2 large 30 pounds of Friskies. That's a lot of cat food. That's wet food. Or sorry, that's not wet food. That's dry food, right? Yeah, 30 pounds. Yeah. We give our cats I think Purina. So something Purina, but Friskies is also the other big one. And then a bunch of dry wet food. But that's really nice of you. That's really nice that you're helping out. You know, it's unfortunate that she's on the East Coast, but yeah, you know, that's really nice of you. We all got to do our part to help out the animals, right? I believe that. Yeah, pretty slow. Anyway, so with that being said, no more super chats, no more coin requests. I have to get off and make my 20 videos right now and edit them. So that's pretty much it. All the watch list videos are going to be posted probably in the next like 3-4 hours whenever I get done posting them. So with that being said, just remember that none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion. And again, congratulations to Roberto that won the 1 billion Dogelon Mars giveaway. He has until tomorrow to claim it. If he doesn't, we're going with facts over feelings, and then we're going with Steven on Monday. So again, with that being said, none of this is you skipped turbo. No, I didn't. If you rewind the video. Okay, all right. You know what? Now we have coin requests coming in. Okay, so I'll do turbo, I'll do Inu, and I'll do Melania, and then that's it. So I didn't skip turbo, but I will look at it again for you. So taking a look at turbo because we have a saved graph. So taking a look at turbo, we are almost extremely oversold. The stock RSI is completely reset. We're sitting on support at 2056, which is the 786 from the low to the high. So as of right now, if we don't get a bounce from the current price, then we are going to break down, and we are probably going to go back down to around 2033, which we said is around a 40% capitulation, back down to these lows. However, if we do get a bounce, the price to beat is 208, meaning that it can't come all the way back up here and still be bearish, and we could still be maintaining this downtrend and still make that lower low. So again, just keep in mind that is a really big move up from the current price to the top end of the channel is around a 56% pump. So just don't get trapped. And again, once that breaks, then we can confirm a reversal and we can confirm bullish on the macro time frame. And then from there, you're looking at previous high and you're making a higher high. But we'll look at that when obviously when we get over this box. And that's pretty much it for Turbo. Taking a look at K&J. How low did K&J go? Damn, it went all the way back down. It's brutal. Did it even hold any areas of like support? No. Okay, so taking a look at K&J on the live stream. So as of right now, I mean, nothing looks bullish with K&J. It does need to establish some sort of floor. What we don't want to see is it break below 607, which is going to basically send you back down all the way to 7014, which is a very big move down and a very big capitulation down. Unfortunately, nothing is bullish with K&J until we break 502. And again, bullish over 5029. That is a really big move up from the current price. That is around 100% from the current price and another 200% up to the 382. So keep in mind, it can't come all the way back up here like it did before and still get rejected and come back down. So again, just be aware of that and don't get trapped. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion, and thank you. Let's look at Melania. Taking a look at Melania meme on the live stream for the gentleman who asked for it. If I find the right graph. I mean, I guess technically it's this, right? January 20th. January 19th, $7. Okay, let me see. Yeah, so it is this. Okay, so unfortunately we can't really look at this on the daily. I guess we could look at it on the 1 hour chart. So with Melania, you know, on the hourly chart, just keep in mind it is on the hourly chart. Nothing's bullish until we break 319 and bullish over 422, which should send us back up to its all-time high. Again, very new coin. It does need to establish some sort of floor here. So if we do break 205, then unfortunately we are going to be making lower lows and we're going to be stuck in this downtrend. So again, price to stay over is 205, consolidation, and then once we break out, then we can confirm bullish over $4.31. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. I actually don't know if I recorded that or not, but oh well. And yeah, that's pretty much it, Flex. Thank you. I'm stuck in Aerodrome 2 weeks now, and normally doesn't stay down this long, especially as BTC retracement above 105K. Yeah. I am just waiting for OXT to go up so I could rotate everything back into DOGELON Mars, because I'm hoping, because DOGELON Mars had a big move up, we get a nice sell-off, which is going to wreck my current position in it, but it's okay because I'm holding anyway. So I'm hoping that OXT has a nice move up so that I can basically rotate this and even, you know, buy like 200 billion DOGELON Mars at that point. You know, that would be pretty nice, but it is what it is. We'll see if it happens or not. If it does, good. If it doesn't, good. Anyway, no more coin requests, no more super chats. Thank you so much for all of the super chats, all of the members, and all of the subscribers. I appreciate every single one of you. Please remember that none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and this is all just for entertainment purposes. Have a great weekend. I'm going to go live again on Monday night, and I'm going to be working on my watch list videos now. So that should all those videos should be posted in the afternoon today. And again, thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll catch you guys in the next live stream.